The core concept of the supply chain, the logistics management, what meet the customer requirement. If you don't have the customer, okay, then you don't have any logistics, right? So meet the customer requirement. So how we are going to meet the customer requirement? So depends on what are the points we are going to discuss in coming minutes. Okay. If you don't have the on-time delivery, you are failure. You are following the poor logistics, right? You have to make the on-time delivery. Okay. Maybe you miss something, you delayed, or you lost something, or you make a delay in the port because of the documentation. These all things make the customer complaint. So the core, the first most important objective or the goal of the logistics management or supply chain management is what? Meet the customer requirement, on time delivery. It's just thing. I am paying to you for something, right? Because this product is very important for me and I need it on time. So this is the one of the most important thing. And I can say the second thing is what? Reduce the cost. In logistics, there are so many uncertainties, right? Port congestions, port delays, port strike, okay, equipment delay, okay, then maybe error in the documentation, no approvals, whatever things, I can say that. So many things, it will make you the cost very high, okay, demurrage, detentions and all. So reduce the cost wherever you can be the one of the prime what objective of the logistics management. Okay, so meet the customer requirement, customer satisfaction, okay, and what reduce the cost considered from my experience, okay, the number 1 and 2 the objectives. Okay, now how we are going to meet all these things? So first thing is increase the efficiency, the first point. What's the efficiency? The normalcy and efficiency, the two things are there. Okay, efficiency means for that you are using the managerial concept. You must be efficient. Okay, not do the things as you decide or as you want. It must be in the effective and the efficient way. So what is the efficient? How can you increase the efficiency? The first thing is the efficient transportation mode. This is one of the most important thing. You have to select, for example, you are in a company, the coordinator, or you are the supervisor, your procurement department, operation department, or the logistics manager is saying, our company is going to bring some product to deliver to this customer. Okay, you know that there are two types of the industry. One is manufacturing, and the second is the service side. Okay, manufacturing means what? You are making the product and you are delivering. Okay, and service side, what? You are not making the products, you are getting the products, okay, and you are delivering to your customers. Okay, so here either if the manufacturing or the service side itself, or the product side or service side itself, you have to make some decision when you are making the transportation or the mode. Okay, you have to bring, for example, you have to bring one machine. Okay, you are from Africa, from to Sudan, from you are bringing from China. Okay, this machine maybe its weight maybe 80 kilogram, 80 kg, for example, and maybe width and the dimension like one pallet size, 1 meter and 1 meter, something like that. Now, whenever your company is saying, okay, I want to bring this shipment as soon as possible, please bring. If you are a professional, what you have to check? You have to check how fast you want to bring this. You have to discuss with your department head. Sir, you are saying how far you want to bring the fast. I can bring the fast. In a fast way, I can bring the things. But the thing is that when you bring fast, then what it may increase the cost. Do you really need to bring within 3-4 days, or you can wait for 7 days because I can use the air freight? It's got a transit airport. They will come to some airport and they can reduce the cost. Or I can use what if you are ready to wait for 25-30 days, for example, I can make the cost very less again. Instead of I'm paying the $300 or $400, I can bring it by $150 by ocean freight LCL. So efficiency, you have to make it when you are selecting the different type of the mode. Okay. That is, we'll discuss further, but I'm just giving the idea about efficient transportation mode, route optimization. Route optimization I put here because our logistics is not just being some ocean and air. It's not like even the logistics is part of the e-commerce application. Now, you know, one of the most important business, the business trend is the last mile delivery. Last mile delivery, okay? Last mile delivery means, you know, that after the corona breakout, most of the companies, like the branded companies, Nike or some retail companies, Adidas and or like that company, not the same company, what they are doing, they are bringing the shipments in their warehouse, and they will use the 3PL service for the last mile delivery. Means this Nike company or the retail company or any other company, what they will not appoint the drivers, vehicle, and delivery people. What they will do, they will contract with the 3PL company and they will make the fulfillment Sundays, and from the fulfillment Sundays, but they will make the deliveries. Okay. So that type of things the new trend now. So I'm saying route optimization reduces driving time and fuel. So many bikes they will deliver, like the Amazon, you know, that bike delivery. So if you have the sophisticated technology for the route mapping and GPS, whatever things, and you see which the route is best now for delivery the goods, then I can reduce the fuel, I can reduce the idle time of the drivers. So this way you can increase the efficiency for your organization and you can give the good customer service. So efficiency in different way, mode or reduce the driving time or the fuel efficiency, and another efficiency, the efficient warehouse strategies with the balanced inventory. There are so many companies, we know that. I saw so many companies, maybe you saw. You have the warehouse, so many old items you are keeping and it's not using. How it happened? Your forecasting and planning is not good. Maybe the customer need 100 items. Maybe in 6 months time, you bring 100 items together and you are keeping the warehouse. Finally, the customer maybe take only 50 or 60. All other things are bad. So this type of the thing is inefficient warehousing concept, and it is affecting their cost and their logistics. So it is not the right logistics. So you have to reduce the cost for them. So balanced inventory, just in time. Now it's a corona time, very difficult. Just in time, immediately you can deliver. But normally you have to reduce the maximum inventory, because inventory is the cost for the storing your items. And another thing is that the workforce optimization. We will stop the class maybe in 3 minutes, okay, on 2 minutes, and we will continue tomorrow. I think your class we have to stop. We decided 19 minutes. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. The last point I'm going to say, the workforce optimization across the logistics. You know, in Middle East and even in India and Asia, so many places we are seeing one thing that what we cannot. So many managers or the people, they are using the nepotism. You have very good skill in the logistics for the shipping or the transportation, but they will not appoint you for that post. They will appoint their friend or their connected people. Maybe they are not that much efficient to do that job. So if you want to increase the efficiency, you forgot all nepotism or what partiality. You check who's the best person in your team, and that team you have is the sensitive or the critical operation. That is also considered the efficiency. I think in Africa also, maybe in your organization, maybe you face same issue, but maybe you are more skilled, you have certificate and everything, but your manager maybe not appoint you the same post, right? I wish don't happen like that, but it's everywhere is there. In my company also everywhere. So, but as a logistics professional, but you must keep the good workforce in the good place. I mean that the sensitive. If it's very skilled, the packaging is a packaging. It's the planning, or the contacting, the negotiation is a best communicator with the negotiation power, contact for the careers and all. So that type of the things you have to make. So what we discuss now, objective first increase the efficiency.